Hello everyone, my name is Panchakshari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have starting a 13 days English speaking challenge, and today's are the day 2 for improving in my communication skill. I will talking about the social media is improving my communication skill. Many people thought the social media is the wasting of time, and many people are the using the entertainment as a wasting of time, but is the totally as depend upon you are utilizing in your time in the using in social media. You are improving in your skill, you are improving in your achievements. You are totally depend upon you are using in a social media in a different way. You are using in a LinkedIn, you are using in a many apps. You are improving in your skill in day by day. But I was starting in English communication skill. I will have a many mistake for a pronunciation, for a grammatical mistake, and for I am speaking in English and totally blank of the words and speaking in English. This mistake for many peoples for speak too fast, but words are blank and not speaking in English and stuck for speaking in English. But I have starting in English. I will have a many mistake, but I am not afraid to. I will not speaking in English. I will not become a fluent English speaker. But this mistake is a part of the English is achieve the fluent English speaker. I have starting of reading in English documentaries, watching this podcast, and see the YouTube short English video, see the movie, and the motivated movies, and watching this English book. Mainly watching this English book. It's a point. I will improve my English communication skill, and this way of my is using is my is confidence is slowly is growing. For this way I'm using this reading book and using this documentary. Firstly I will see the native language speaker to speak English fluently. I will see and listen carefully. It's a point. I will improve my communication skill and listen skill. I will improve. Many peoples are the not a confidence and speaking English. Is a confidence is a why? Is a confidence is a you are become fastly in English and not stuck in English. You are will be automatically come in your confidence to get a high profile job and take to interviews. And the most important things for the all in subject are the English. English is the most important for any sectors, for the most important IT sector for this English communication skill. But I was starting in English journey. I will make a many mistake, and for this is one time I will have a scrolling in YouTube, and I will see the video for the English, and I will ask you for me why you not start for English journey. This the other people start the English journey, but why you started English? And my mind said to you, they can do it, and for you can do it too. And this challenge and this the mindset I will using the 13 days English speaking challenge, and this is the for day 2 and improve my communication skill for 13 days. I will improve my English with English speaking, and you will see the my English fluently and speaking to confidently to you and improve my communication skill. But I am but for a beginner, but I will achieve my English communication skill, and to make a more and more vocabulary for English, and to make a new words, and I will learning of a new topic and new words for the in English, and to get a English word to make a more mistake. But I have not afraid to the take the mistake, and learn and grow together and professionally. For this you are using you are improving in your communication skill. You are speak every day 10 to 15 minutes per day, and you are English is more confidently to one day starting to the 13 days you are speaking in challenge. Every day you are speaking in 10 to 15 minutes. You are absolutely improving in your communication skill, and you are become a fluent English speaker in your journey. And other you are learning in English, you have make a more perfectly man for this world, this using this English communication skill. And the many peoples are the watching this video, watching this Instagram, watching this YouTube, are the many peoples are the scrolling time is the 10 hours 15 hours for watching this video. And the many peoples are the unnecessary video for seeing 2 hours 3 hours 4 hours for not learning in a new topic. I will suggest to you, you are learning your skill, you are achieving your skill, and you are starting for challenge for 13 days. You are improving your communication skill. And see you and see the new video for English related video. And you are follow for YouTube and Instagram. You have a follow back the English speaker. You are follow and watching this video every day, and you are also will improve in your communication skill. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see the tech video. But in this way you are improve your communication skill, are totally improve in your skill and improve in your communication skill. Bye.